Good morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are watching. And welcome to the Biafra Battle Cry TV. We are Biafrans under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Here in Biafra is where we worship because Biafra is our religion. Bringing to you the latest breaking news and updates from around the world. Stay tuned for comprehensive coverage on the stories that matter to you.
Bishop now, I'm not quite sure, has responded. Bishop Obinna doesn't know the meaning of Chukwukika. He doesn't know who he is. He thinks Chukwukika is the God of Igbo people, is a deity. The same way that our cousins in Israel call Yahweh, the same way that Europeans call God is what we call our own, is Chukwukika. We call him by the name, by what he does. He didn't understand it. Our people don't know, not their set, you must count it first. You count before you put in your pocket. Our lines are open. We'll be on again tomorrow. Because of it, I can run a morning service tomorrow on Radio Biafra. It's on a Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday, isn't it? Can run a morning service to see how many souls we can save from eternal damnation. When you see your pastor, the first thing I'll ask any pastor is, what is the meaning of Jesus? So I want them to go and prepare. What is the meaning of Jesus? They can't answer. What did Mary and Joseph name their child when their child was born? Is Yahweh, which means Chizoba. Even in Biafran language, we have the name, the equivalent of it. Does a white man answer God saves as a name? The answer is no. So they had to go and forge their own. Isos, which means Hail Zeus. That's the meaning of it. They added J in front of it, became Jesus, which is Arose. His name is Yahweh Yeshua. Chizoba. Chukwu Abiyama is our salvation. Yahweh is salvation. That's the meaning of Yahweh Yeshua. Do you understand it? Why do you think our brothers, the Israelites, are hated all over the world? Do you know what they could have done to us if we said no to their ROC when they brought it to us? It's like, there are some pills that are very, very bitter. But you coat it with sugar. On the outside it's very sweet, inside it's very bitter. That's how I see what they brought to us. And nobody has had the temerity or the guts to say it before now. But Chukwu Abiyama said, as I was in Jerusalem praying, if you want to get Biafra, you must speak the truth, even if it leads to your death. That the world may know that I'm the Lord, their God. This revelation I had at the Temple of Solomon. Nowhere else. Chukwabam is my witness. Not was let me not see any good in my life. You don't worship anything apart from me. Exodus chapter 20. He went on to say, I am a jealous God. He knew what man is capable of. He went ahead to say, I am also jealous. And he said something that will happen to those who don't worship him. And is that thing not happening to you today? He said, I will visit iniquity upon you. Do you have water today? I don't know, burning your shops in Lagos. Are you not hungry, dying of typhoid, incurable typhoid and malaria? Is Awasa not there subjugating you? Is Dangote not carrying your oil and gas away to Lagos? Do you know what iniquity means? There is no iniquity worse than what we are going through. Have you been to Aba? To see that people are living side by side with rubbish on the road. What other iniquity is worse than Theodore running away with the money that's meant to pay people? People cannot feed their families. Are you aware of that? What other iniquity are you looking for? Our lives are useless and hopeless because we abandoned the one true living Chukwu Okike Abiyama. It's working for them. Is it working for you? The answer is no. People walk into a church and even ask questions. How did we come here in the first place? What are we doing here? No graven image. Is there in the Bible? Don't bow before any graven image. Oh, my goodness me. Chukwabiyama said I should preach this. That's why I'm doing it. Bishop Obinna, the Archbishop now, I'm not quite sure.